Hey there, plant-powered warriors! Welcome back to Diet and Exercise. Today, we're diving into something game-changing: vegan meal prep for effective, sustainable weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight and improve your overall health, a vegan diet can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Not only is a plant-based diet rich in nutrient-dense foods that can support weight loss, but it can also provide a host of other health benefits, from reduced inflammation to improved gut health. However, transitioning to a vegan diet can be a bit of a challenge, especially when it comes to meal planning and preparation. That's where vegan meal prepping comes in. By taking the time to plan and prepare your meals in advance, you can ensure that you have a steady supply of delicious, nutrient-dense vegan options on hand, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Get ready to transform your body and health while saving time and money. The power of plant-based meal planning. Understanding the transformative power of plant-based meal preparation goes far beyond simple calorie control. When you strategically plan and prepare your vegan meals, you're setting up a system that supports optimal health at every level. This methodical approach to food preparation helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day, preventing energy crashes and sudden hunger that often leads to unhealthy food choices. The fiber-rich nature of properly planned vegan meals supports better digestive health, enhancing your body's ability to absorb nutrients while maintaining healthy gut bacteria. The improved gut health directly influences your immune system, helping protect against various illnesses and inflammatory conditions. The consistent intake of plant compounds through planned meals supports better cellular repair and regeneration, helping maintain healthy muscle tissue while promoting fat loss. Furthermore, this structured approach to vegan eating ensures a steady supply of antioxidants and phytonutrients that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation throughout your body, supporting everything from better joint health to improved cardiovascular function. Metabolism-boosting morning preparations. The way you start your day with vegan meal prep can significantly impact your metabolic function and energy levels throughout the entire day. By preparing metabolism-supporting morning meals in advance, you create a foundation for optimal fat burning while preserving lean muscle mass. This early metabolic activation helps increase your body's thermogenic response, especially turning up your internal calorie-burning furnace. The balanced combination of plant proteins and complex carbohydrates in properly prepared morning meals helps stabilize cortisol levels, preventing the stress-induced muscle breakdown that can occur with improper breakfast choices. This metabolic optimization also supports better cognitive function throughout the morning hours, helping prevent the mental fatigue that can lead to poor food choices later in the day. The steady release of energy from well-planned vegan breakfast prep helps maintain stable insulin levels, supporting better fat oxidation while protecting against metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. Additionally, this morning metabolic boost helps enhance your body's natural detoxification process, supporting better liver function and overall cellular health. Power-packed plant protein preparation. Mastering the art of preparing protein-rich vegan meals in advance addresses one of the most crucial aspects of plant-based weight loss success. By strategically combining various plant protein sources during your prep sessions, you create meals that support muscle maintenance and growth while promoting satiety and fat loss. This careful protein planning ensures that your body receives a steady supply of essential amino acids throughout the day, supporting optimal muscle repair and recovery. The diverse array of plant proteins in well-planned meals help support better hormone production, including growth hormones and thyroid hormones that play crucial roles in body composition. This protein-focused preparation also helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and supporting better energy levels throughout the day. The incorporation of different protein sources in your meal prep supports better collagen production for healthy skin and joints, while also providing the building blocks needed for immune system function and tissue repair. This comprehensive approach to protein preparation helps protect against muscle loss during weight loss, while supporting better overall body composition. Strategic carbohydrate organization. Understanding how to strategically incorporate and prepare complex carbohydrates in your vegan meal prep creates a powerful tool for managing energy levels and supporting weight loss. By carefully selecting and preparing plant-based carbohydrate sources, you create meals that provide sustained energy while supporting better blood sugar control. This thoughtful carbohydrate preparation helps maintain stable insulin levels, promoting better fat burning while protecting against energy crashes. Additionally, this structured approach to carbohydrate preparation helps prevent the inflammation that can occur with poorly planned meals, supporting better joint health and cardiovascular function. Healthy fat integration. The strategic incorporation of healthy plant-based fats in your meal prep routine plays a crucial role in supporting successful weight loss while maintaining optimal health. By carefully preparing and portioning healthy fat sources, you create meals that support hormone production, nutrient absorption, and sustained energy levels throughout the day. This thoughtful fat integration helps maintain proper cell membrane function, supporting better nutrient uptake and cellular communication throughout your body. Anti-inflammatory meal construction. Creating anti-inflammatory vegan meals through strategic preparation helps support both weight loss goals and overall health optimization. When you carefully combine various anti-inflammatory plant foods during your prep sessions, you create meals that help reduce systemic inflammation while supporting better cellular function. This thoughtful approach to meal construction helps protect against inflammatory conditions while supporting better joint health and mobility. The strategic combination of anti-inflammatory compounds in your prepared meals helps support better cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation in blood vessels and supporting healthy blood flow. This comprehensive approach to anti-inflammatory meal prep also helps support better cognitive function and mood stability by reducing inflammation in the brain. Portion control and meal timing. Mastering the art of portion control and meal timing through strategic vegan meal prep creates a powerful system for supporting successful weight loss. By carefully planning and preparing appropriately sized meals, you create a structure that supports better appetite control while maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day. This systematic approach to portion preparation helps prevent overeating while ensuring adequate nutrient intake for optimal health and muscle preservation. The strategic timing of prepared meals helps support better hormone regulation, particularly important for maintaining stable blood sugar and insulin levels throughout the day. This careful attention to portion sizes and meal timing helps support better digestive function and nutrient absorption as your body processes smaller, well-timed meals more efficiently. The consistent nature of properly portioned and timed meals helps support better metabolic function and energy utilization throughout the day. Additionally, this structured approach to meal planning helps prevent the energy crashes and sudden hunger that can lead to poor food choices. And there you have it, plant-powered warriors. You now have a complete blueprint for successful vegan meal prep that supports your weight loss goals while optimizing your health. Remember, every meal you prepare is an investment in your future health and well-being. If this video helped you understand vegan meal prep better, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs the information. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more content that will help you thrive on a plant-based diet.